In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a checkbox in a table in Notion. This is a fantastic way to keep track of tasks, organize your projects, or simply to ensure you're staying on top of your to-do list. Let's jump right in. First, navigate to the Notion page where you'd like to create your table. You'll want to start from a blank slate or an existing page. Once you're on your desired page, you'll need to initiate the table creation process. Here's how you can do that. Type in the command /table_view. This command is essentially Notion's way of letting the app know that you want to create a table. It acts as a shortcut, saving you the trouble of clicking through multiple menus. Go ahead and enter that into the search bar. Now, once you've typed in /table_view, you'll see an option pop up that says Table View. Go ahead and click on this. This action will bring up the interface to create a new table. It's a simple step, but it's crucial in starting to organize information in an easy-to-read format. Next, click on the New Page button within the interface. You'll see an option to fill in tables, and this is where you start bringing your table to life. This part is exciting because you have the freedom to customize the table according to your needs. At this point, you'll want to add a property to your table. Look for the Add Property button or option on your screen. Clicking this enables you to add different types of columns to your table, and it's where the magic happens. It's a versatile feature, allowing for everything from text fields to numbers. After clicking Add Property, you'll now see various options for the types of fields you can add. Find and select Checkbox. This step is crucial as it allows you to integrate checkboxes into your table. These checkboxes will appear as a new column in your table, and you can start marking tasks as done by simply checking them off. Congratulations! You've successfully added a checkbox to your table in Notion. By using these checkboxes, you can create a list of tasks, mark items as complete, or simply ensure each step of a project gets its due diligence. It's a practical addition for anyone wanting to optimize their workflow effectively. And there you have it, a neat and organized table that will help streamline your workflow and enhance productivity in Notion. Don't forget to explore other features and properties to customize your table further. Notion truly is a versatile tool. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll be happy to assist. Happy organizing!